Guys, in this video, I will quickly show you how to find your Toncoin wallet address on Bitget application. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bitget application. After logging in, at the bottom right corner, click on the Assets tab. Now click on the Deposit button. Now again click on the Deposit Crypto button. In the search bar, type Tone or scroll through the list until you see Toncoin. Tone, tap on it, tap on OK. For Toncoin, you will usually see only one option, the Tone network, which is the official native network. Using the wrong network can result in permanent loss of your funds. Once the Tone network is selected, you will see your wallet address and a QR code. You can click copy to copy the address or use the QR code to scan from another wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Toncoin wallet address on your Bitget application. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.